And that will bring us to an end here of this game. Heather, one of the co-owners, is showing that she's a little relieved. But thank you for watching, folks. My name is Scott Sledgester. I've been your host and cameraman. I appreciate your watching. We are going to have it. We'll be back with the rush here in January. I was going to say next year, but it's really next month. As they return after the winter break. This was the final game of the 2015 calendar year. But we'll be back. We thank you for watching. Take care, and we will see you next time.